Mr. Johnson, how we doing today? Good, good. You can't complain when you wake up in the morning time, so nothing to complain about. How about you? Yeah, yeah. Now, I was calling it to check in. I know it's been a while since we talked, so I was calling to say hi to you and calling to see if you had any questions or if you needed me for anything.
No, I don't have no, but I think I was looking at my thing the other night on Allfer.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think?
I was looking, I looked at bad, and then I looked at my thing IAA, and I think combined with I think that GIA was like 800,000, at least with 300 and something thousand. I said I'm going pretty good.
Yeah, I know. And thank you for allowing us to, help you with both accounts, your TIAA craft and then your account with us. But the crazy thing is that, with the TIAA craft, we're only able to monitor it because it's still with your 401k. So we're able to kind of make changes periodically, but we're not able to manage it all together. But the account with us, we're able to manage it. So with TIAA craft, you're up about, now you're beating the stock market. The stock market's up about 14%. Your TIAA craft is up about 17%. But your account with us, this year, you're up by 51% this year.
Because I'm still on long-term disability, they still paying it, and I think it's like 900. Yeah. If I went to try and retire, that money would end.
So when you turn, that's great, because when you turn 59 and a half, as we talked about before, we're going to roll over a portion of it into your IRA with us, but we never will roll over the full amount. Typically, in your case, as we talked about, I would say about 90%. So, 90% of it would be moved over to your IRA with us. And then the other 10% would be kept there so that you can continue to get the contributions. If you ever need money, I know financially you don't, but if you needed money, you can always take a loan against your 401k where you can take out 50% of the balance. So let's say theoretically speaking, if it's 800 grand, we leave $80,000 in there. You can always take out a loan and you have up to 5 years to pay that back without paying taxes on it. So for that reason, even though, for every $100,000 you have, we're making 51,000 and they're making 17,000. And even though I'm able to kind of quasi manage the money, not fully manage it, I would still say, when you turn 59 and a half, we would still take 90% of that and roll over to your IRA with us.
Well, they lad were they how?
Well, so remember, they only allow us to take out some. So they allow us to take out some at 59 and a half and then some at 62. Because remember, because you're right, but how TIAA craft, and so a lot of companies are like that. Like the IRS says that you can roll it over at age 59 and a half, but companies have their own rules and regulations. And one of their rules and regulations, so we was able to do some, to your point, when you turn 59 and a half, but yeah, it'll be a larger amount, in basically March. But even with that being said, we're not going to do the total amount. We're still going to keep, 10% there, so that you can continue to get those contributions. You can do a loan against the 401k. So we'll definitely be able to help there as well. What other questions do you have for me?
I don't have any warm down there. We got cold up here.
Yeah, we're here in Jacksonville right now. It's raining, so yeah, I know that the Virginia area. When it rains here, it snows there. But no, it's raining. It's raining like cats and dogs here right now. So,
Rudy 5 degrees.
ooh, in October, 35 degrees. Jimmy Christmas. I can't even imagine what then December would be like, and I don't want to imagine either. So, so yeah. But now we definitely have you squared away. We'll continue to manage the money. And yeah, so we definitely got you squared away. Yep. Oh, my last question, because I always ask. So, how's it feel? How's it feel for us to manage your money? How's it feel for you to basically be a millionaire? How does it feel? Allowing us to kind of help your assets grow.
I recommend you to plenty of folks. I don't know if anybody's fault.
Some people's call, and yeah, would definitely I definitely appreciate it. Thank you for your support. And most importantly, thank you for allowing me years ago now to help you with your life savings. I know it's a lot more than where it was before, but if you didn't give me that opportunity, it wouldn't be like that. So definitely thank you for, allowing me to help you. Awesome. Well, be blessed. If I don't talk to you before February, Merry Christmas. But if you have any questions before then, I'm always one phone call away.